All right, I have some questions. I am not a tech genius. I really am not. Really, truly, seriously, I'm not. I do not know that much about computer technology. But I just have some questions about this Apple situation. I mean, it seems to me that what's happening is that the government has asked Apple for its help, trying to deal with this phone, trying to deal with terrorism. Has asked, and Apple has refused. I mean, they asked legally, right? They asked legally. They asked for legal means. They asked for something in a way that was, as far as I can tell, pretty straightforward and upfront about it, and Apple is refusing, right? And if there are people who are offering to unlock the phone, break the encryption, that kind of thing, people who are outside of Apple who are saying, "Oh, I can do it," it seems to me that probably it's already been done. Somebody's already done it. I mean, it seems to me very, very unlikely that people don't already know how to get into that phone, and don't already know how to get into millions of phones. It seems very unlikely to me. I mean, if it can be done by people who don't even work at Apple, it's probably already been done by all sorts of people. Probably even the government can do it, but they're asking through legal means so that they can find people who might also be involved in terrorism, and stop them or prosecute them if they have actually taken action. That is something that against which legal charges can be brought, right? That would be my guess about that. I mean, it seems to me I don't know another way to say it. Sometimes I'll kind of say this to repeat myself when I'm talking in a video, just because I'm thinking it over. But no, I mean, this is not something that I have like real specific knowledge about. But that's what seems likely to me. People already know how to do it. Here's the government actually asking through legitimate ways. Saying, "Can you please help us with this?" Apple's refusing. I think probably for very disingenuous reasons. Just disingenuous reasons that are misleading to the public. And you can see the Apple CEO has really couldn't care less. I mean, he has on his Twitter, he is promoting sexual abuse. He is showing his support for trying for the legalization of child molestation. He is doing that, right? And I am sure that Apple hacks my phone. I'm sure that all sorts of phone companies hack my phone. All sorts of I know all sorts of corporations do. Individuals do. It just can't be that difficult to hack somebody's phone, right? It's just not that difficult. So yeah, I mean that's I think that's it's upsetting. I think it's pretty disturbing. You have a corporation that I think is just lying to people, right? Lying to the public while trying to protect itself, trying to get that public support. When in fact what it wants to be able to do is probably continue to access people's information and not get caught. That's my guess. That's what I think is probably happening. I don't know everything, but that would be my guess about that. Yeah.